Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable autoplay previews on Netflix. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Netflix autoplay previews can be quite annoying if you prefer to browse the app without previews playing as soon as you roll over a piece of uh, content, although Netflix defaults to automatically playing those previews. You can turn this off. So how to do it if you want to turn uh, autoplay previews on Netflix? It's very simple. If you want to disable this feature, as you can see in here, when I hover my cursor to these movies, the movie will be automatically playing the preview, right? And if you want to turn this off, it's very simple. So you can just go to settings, you can select on your profile, select on account. From your account, you can just scroll down. There is an option edit settings, you can just select on that. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option playback settings. Click on that. As you can see, your autoplay preview is on. So to turn this feature off, you can just click on the toggle in here. So now you have disabled the autoplay previews on your Netflix. So now let's see. So I will hover my cursor. The movie. The movie is not playing the previews automatically, right? It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable autoplay previews on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and then turn on notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.